Hi, it's me again, Tipin. Not so many people likes to eat okra. Probably the way they cook it, but we'll try something today that you like it and you will never stop eating okra. We have this cornstarch, flour, salt, and baking powder. We have to put some water with flavoring, like maybe chicken flavor. We blend it together. Make sure that we get the consistency that we like. We have the breadcrumbs with grated cheese, but this we will we will use it later on. Also, a fresh, very fresh okra, fresh from the garden. But since okra is also take time to cook, we have to blanch it. We cook it first. In the boiling water, we drop the okra and wait it for 3 minutes that we could use it. But since we don't have time, I have this one already blends. Now, this is the one part of okra. We have to we will be using this now. This is the mixture we have before. Okay, we have the okra. Dip it in our mixture. Coat it with breadcrumbs and grated cheese to the oil. See, we have the okra here to the breadcrumbs with grated cheese to the oil. Dip the okra, coat it with the breadcrumbs with grated cheese to the oil. Okra, coat it with grated cheese to the oil. Okra, coat it with grated cheese and breadcrumbs to the oil. While it's cooking, let me show you the finished product we have. See, it's really crispy. Let's taste it. It's so good. And it's fully cooked because we pre-cooked this already. See how nice? Once again, this is done. Once again, this is Tipin. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.